So this week we're going to talk about how to put your chain back on when it's fallen off. So bicycle chains fall off for a multitude of reasons, and we'll talk about that another day. But today I just want to teach you how to get it back on yourself. So I've pulled my chain completely off of these rear gears, so the bike is unrideable right now. But you'll notice I still have quite a bit of tension on my chain. So there's two simple ways you can get this chain back on. You can either pull up and back, or you can go down below and there's this really small gear looking thing called a jockey wheel. You can push it forward and it's going to release some of that chain tension for you. Sometimes when your chain is stuck next to your gears, it's easier to release some of this tension. I personally prefer the up and back method. I'm going to line my chain up with some gear teeth. It doesn't matter what gear, because once you start pedaling, the bike will push the chain back into the gear that it fell off of and you can get back to riding.